Dear students, in the last lecture we had solved up to question number 7 of the same chapter. Now we will proceed with question number 8. Question number 8 is E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F, so that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. It is given that ABCD is a parallelogram, AD is produced up to E and B is joined and this line intersect at F. We have to prove that ABE is similar to CFB. Solution. ABCD is a parallelogram. It is given. ABCD is a parallelogram, then opposite angles of any parallelogram are equal. It is known. Therefore, angle BAE is equal to angle BCF. These two angles are equal because the property of a parallelogram. Now, AD is parallel to BC, or we can say AE is parallel to BC. AE is parallel to BC and BE is a transversal. A is parallel to BC and B is a transversal. Therefore, this angle is equal to this angle, alternate angle. Therefore, angle CBF is equal to angle AEB. These are alternate angles in case of parallel lines and transversal. So these are alternate angles. Now, from it is 1, it is 2. From equations 1 and 2, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. AA test. Because AEB and CBF up to this, if you are looking at these two triangles, so corresponding angles, these two angles are equal. Therefore, these two triangles will be similar. That is proved. Now we will take question number 9. In figure, ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angle at B and M respectively. Prove that this. Proof. Since we have to prove, then we will write proof over here. We have to show triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. In triangles ABC and triangle AMP, we have to use properties of similarity or criteria of similarity. So we will look at these two triangles, ABC and AMP. These two triangles are required to be proved to be similar. So we will see which property can be used. In these two triangles, what do we observe? This angle is common and angle ABC is 90 degree and angle AMP is 90 degree. Now, angle ABC is equal to angle AMP, each 90 degree, and angle this CAB, angle CAB is common in both the triangles. It means we have got two angles of these two triangles. Corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. By which property? A test or criterion, either of these two. So, similarity of these two is proved. This is the first part. Second part, CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. Now, these two triangles are similar, so ratio of corresponding sides will also be equal. So, we will look at ABC and AMP, which are the corresponding sides. So, CA upon PA, CA, right? It is the side of triangle ABC in front of 90 degree, and in front of this 90 degree which side is there? AP. So these are the corresponding sides. AC and AP are the corresponding sides of these two triangles. So we can write the ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangles will also be equal as per theorem. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Therefore, corresponding sides, as I said, so here it is AC and AP, right? Or CA and PA. They are the corresponding sides of these two triangles. So we can write CA upon PA is equal to which corresponding side it needs? That is BC upon MP. Now BC is the side in front of this angle in triangle ABC. So BC upon which is the corresponding side for this triangle AMP compared to BC. But in front of this angle, which side is there? MP. So we can write BC upon MP. BC and MP are the corresponding sides of these two triangles. So this is the relation. So this is also proved. Now we will look at question number 10. That is CD and GH are respectively are the bisectors of angle ACB and EGF such that D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, so that this relation. Now we will look at first part. In triangle ACD and triangle FGH. In these two triangles we will look. It is given that triangle ABC and FEG are similar. As since the triangles are similar, corresponding angles will be equal. A will be equal to F. These angles will be equal, right? And angle CAD is equal to angle GFH. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Since these two triangles are similar, these angles will be equal. And similarly, this angle, suppose angle number 1, so this will also be equal to this, right? And this angle will also be equal to this. And angle ACB is equal to angle FGE. These two angles will be equal, complete angle will be equal, because these two triangles are similar. Therefore, divide both the angles by 2. Therefore, 1 upon 2 angle ACB is equal to 1 upon 2 angle FGE. And 1 upon 2 angle ACB, because it's an angle bisector, so half of that will be angle ACD. Therefore, it is angle ACD is equal to, and half of this angle is FGH, angle FGH. From this we got this. It is very important. So, in these two triangles, if we look at this angle, corresponding angle is this angle, corresponding angle is this. So these two triangles will be similar. Therefore, triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH, right? These two triangles are similar, so ratio of the corresponding sides will also be equal. So ratio of the corresponding sides we will look at. So side in front of this angle is CD and side in front of this angle is GH. So we can write, therefore CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG, that is AC upon FG. This is to be proved. Second part, we will go for the second part, that is triangle DCB. DCB is similar to HGE. HGE in triangle DCB and triangle HGE. Now, in these two triangles, if you look at, angle 1 is equal to this, means the angle DBC. Angle DBC is equal to angle HEG. HEG. Since these two triangles are similar, since triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, because similarity of these two triangles, corresponding angles will be equal. And angle DCB, angle DCB is equal to angle HGE. HGE. This is proved over here, right? This angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. Therefore, this angle is equal to this angle, because total angle is same. By construction and similarity of triangle ABC and triangle FEG. Because of these two things, these angles will be equal. So corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. This is the proof of the second part. If you look at carefully, then third part, that is triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. Right? So this is proved over here already. DCA or ACD is similar to FGH. So need not to put the third one, we can say by third part can be proved by this method. Now we will take question number 11. In figure E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC. If AD is perpendicular to BC and the EF is perpendicular to AC, so that they are similar. Now, given AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Since ABC is an isosceles triangle where AB is equal to AC, it is already given. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. These two angles are equal because in isosceles triangle, angle in front of the equal sides will also be equal. Now, in triangle ABD and triangle ECF, these two triangles we are considering. So ABD and ECF. Here in these two triangles, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. It is equation number 1 from 1. And angle ADB is equal to angle EFC, each 90 degrees. So in these two triangles, what do we observe? Two angles, corresponding angles are equal. This angle is over this angle and this angle is over this angle. So by AA test, these two triangles will be similar. Therefore, triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Proved. This way, we have proved the required thing of this question.